In this video, we bring you a champions breakdown of Pj and Tashina. What's up, gang? Brian B, Miss Megan. We are doing a breakdown of an awesome high-level Jack and Jill, Pj and Tashina. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You should be watching the clip right now. And this clip is, this move actually is going to be great for accenting, let's say, a 1 in the music. So let's go ahead and do the move, our version, and then we will break it down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anchor step. So this would be something I could use musically speaking to hit an accent. I also recommend that you watch the whole video. I'll put the link in the description below. But it's going to happen with a roll in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to pick up the other hand. Then we're going to do wrist clips. Let's just talk about the wrist clips by themselves. So this right hand, if we do baby steps, is making the rotation. As we have the left hand, what's going to happen is the right hand's going to go, the left hand's going to accelerate and break at the wrist, and Megan's just going to re-grip on the other side. So that's what's going on, right? So if we took the clipping hand out of it and just did the turn, we'd have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this would hand over her head for the 1, right? That's what's going on. This is doing all the work, really. But if we add the clips, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This comes down to pop over her head for the 1. Cool? Let's look at that from the other side, then we'll talk about the exit. We have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now from here, we're side by side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, he takes this hand out for 3 and 4. And what we basically have done is landed my right foot, Megan's left foot, which sets us up for an inside turn and an anchor step. So if we thought about West Coast swing from a basic perspective, and we went 1, 2, Megan would be on the left foot, and I'd be able to lead a turn, right? So she's going to be on an even beat on her left foot, and is going to be available to turn. So we land in this position here, right? We're holding time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. There's that turning foot. Inside turn. So that alone is kind of a cool exit right there. So if we do it from the good side, kind of slowly, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We turn 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes over the top for 1. They have the little accent. 2, 3, 4. We're connected. Inside turn and anchor step. Now, if you're a follower and you're struggling with turns, go ahead and click the description below, and we're going to link up our drill for turns. It's going to help there. If you head to the website, westcoastswingonline.com, there's a link in the corner here. You can go ahead and look at the wrist clips. We do a whole breakdown video for that. So hopefully we will see you guys on the dance floor soon.